Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to unbox a new product for kids, that is the Camco Motu Patlu chocolate rabdi with biscuits. So this is a product, this is like an Indian version of the Kinder Joy for kids. So let's go and see how does it stand up to the standards of Kinder Joy. So yeah, this is from the company called Camco. Okay, Camco, the branding of Camco is right here. Then we have Motu Patlu. Okay, Motu Patlu. And then there's the egg, like the Kinder Joy egg here, shown here. Then the inner part of the Kinder Joy. So it looks like the Kinder Joy, but let's see what comes inside. So like the Kinder Joy, this also, you get a toy inside the pack. Inside the egg there will be a toy as well. To eat, play and enjoy, it says the Motu Patlu sweet egg from Camco. So this is a sweet egg with surprise. So this is a Motu Patlu sweet egg with surprise. So there are a total of 3 eggs plus 2 toys for just ₹5. So the price is very affordable here, just ₹5. 3 eggs for ₹5. And coming to the packaging of the product, it comes in a plastic packaging here. Going on the back side of the packaging right here. So here they are given the nutritional facts. The total calories that it contains is 529 kcal of energy, 27.0 grams of fat, 69.5 grams of carbohydrate for every 100 grams of serving of the product. So yeah, that is the nutritional facts on it. Ingredients are choco crème and biscuit. So the choco crème is made from hydrogenated vegetable fat, sugar, milk solids, cocoa solids, emulsifiers and artificial flavors, while the biscuit is made from sugar, flour, vegetable fat, raising agents, milk solids and emulsifiers, and there's salt for flavoring. So this is a product from Camco Chew Foods Private Limited, which is an Indian company. And then there's a FSSAI license here with a license number. Then here again on the right hand side of the packing, it is here. The back side we can see the Motu Patlu characters here from the cartoon that is aired on Nickelodeon. And here contents. What are the contents of this? There is choco rabdi with biscuit plus toys. Okay, and the net weight is 11 grams. Toy weight is extra of the package, but the main content is 11 grams. And it is priced at ₹5 with a shelf life of 6 months from packaging. So the shelf life is 6 months from packaging. So I can't wait to see what is inside this. So let's go and tear it open. So we are going to tear open the Camco Motu Patlu sweet egg with biscuit. So yeah, here we go. Okay. Very tough to tear. Very easy. So let me try it again, and here we go. Okay. So we have torn it open, and we can see that there are a total of 3 eggs. One, second one is here. So we have received a total of 3 eggs inside. So we have 3 eggs. Yeah, I'm just going to place them on my hand and show you. So we have a total of 3 eggs here. So 1, 2 and 3 eggs we have got. So very small compared to the Kinder Joy packet. So that's why there are 3 in one packet. So we have 3 eggs and we have received 2 toys. Okay, what is this toy? Okay. Okay, one of the toy is missing some part, I guess. So there's a boat on wheels. I can see a boat on wheels here. And the other one, I don't know what this is. Where does this fit? I have no clue where does this fit or what is this right now. I think I just got half the toy because the wheels are also missing. So the front wheels are missing here in this toy. And looks like the top of the toy is also missing. So I suppose this was supposed to be a car. Looks like a Batmobile, but only the chassis is here. The rest of the car is missing. And this is like a boat on wheels. So there's a boat on wheels that we have got here. Okay, so very poor quality of the toys, like really cheap quality plastic used here and very poor quality toy here. So this is what we have received, the two toys that have come with the Motu Patlu, Camco's Motu Patlu sweet chocolate egg. We have received 1.5 toy here. Instead of 2 we have received 1.5. There's nothing more in this. Just to show you, there's nothing more that I have got in this. So yeah, coming to the product itself, we are going to unwrap the egg to see how does it taste. So here we go. We are just going to quickly open the egg. Okay, so let me just find a way to open first. It's completely sealed. And is there a way to open the seal? So I'm going to just try to peel it out with my nails if I can. It's really tough here. So yeah, let's first look at the packaging first of all. So right up here you can see GRV biscuits written. I don't know. Now this was supposed to be a product from Camco, but we have some GRV branding here. Then the Motu Patlu sweet egg branding right here. The Motu Patlu sweet egg branding right here. And then for details, see outer pack, what is written, and behind the pack also there's a vegetarian symbol or a non-vegetarian symbol. So there's some symbol behind which states it's a vegetarian product, I guess, and Motu Patlu is written on it. And now let's try to open it. So finding it really difficult to open this packet because of its sheer small size here right now. So the size is so small, maybe I'll need a scissor to cut it open. Okay, I think I got it here. I think I got it. Okay. So it's a struggle just opening this thing up. I hope the taste is worth the struggle right now. So I'm really struggling to open it up to see what is inside the packet first of all. So in total 3 eggs to open is going to take a hell lot of time for me. Just struggling. I think scissor would be handy, would be better to open it up. So I'll just go and get a pair of scissors and open this up. So guys, here we have opened the product and this is how it looks from inside. You can have a look at it from inside. So there is brown chocolate and white chocolate. It looks like white cream, and there are 2 wafer balls inside it. Not even 2, I think there's 1.5. Okay, this is also 1.5. I think they are made to make like 1.5 is their favorite combination. Everything is 1.5. So the wafer ball is also 1.5. There's 1.5 wafer ball inside, and then the toy also came 1.5. So here's the wafer ball. I'm just going to dip it in the cream and let's give it a try. Nothing so amazing about it. Like I didn't expect much from a 5 rupee packet though. But the whole thing looks very sticky. Look at it. Looks very sticky. With just sugar. There's no other flavor sugar in this. So it is just cream and sugar. Nothing like rabdi, which I mentioned on the packet that this is chocolate rabdi. There's nothing like rabdi, just pure bad quality sugar and cream. I'll review this product as a, if I could review 0, I'll give it a 0 right now. Never gonna buy this again. Complete waste. I wouldn't recommend it for any kids. It is just sugar. There's nothing else. There's no other flavors in it but sugar. So my rating on this product from Camco Motu Patlu sweet egg is 0 out of 5. So please don't buy it. It's not worth it. It's not worth the time. I would rather buy a Parle G biscuit and enjoy it more than having a Camco Motu Patlu sweet egg. So yeah, this is my review on the product. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.